Right. So today we are going to start discussing about the JavaScript. I already told you that how much core Java is important to be perfect in frameworks, either to learn advanced Java as well as to learn Spring and Spring Boot, any technology, right? To learn how core Java is important in the same way to learn any UI frameworks, client-side frameworks like Angular, React, everything, Vue.js, anything. To learn these frameworks, JavaScript is that much important. Exactly what all the concepts we discussed in core Java, the same concepts only will repeat in JavaScript. So, if you are already perfect in core Java, easily you can understand the JavaScript. First of all, what is the main purpose of JavaScript? So that we know already, JavaScript is just giving the functionality. JavaScript is giving the functionality to HTML page. This is HTML. Okay. Right, in a HTML page, suppose I have created one button. Just click is the button I have created. When you click on this button, it has to perform some action. How it performs that action? Using the JavaScript code only, it will perform that action. It is giving functionality, nothing but action to HTML pages. Simple one. Okay. Now, where to write the program and how can we execute the program? Let me explain. JavaScript, we can add JavaScript to HTML page in three ways. What are the three ways? I'll explain. First one, inside the body. What will happen? I'll explain. Next, inside the head location. Next, in a external JavaScript file. In external JavaScript file. One by one, I'll explain first. Let me write a simple HTML program. HTML document.html, simply writing like this, saving on a desktop, just web page. I'm creating like this, web page. Inside head, I'm not writing anything. I just leave it as a blank. Only body I'm writing, body. Inside the body, I want to write the JavaScript code. How can we add JavaScript code here? First, let me explain. First point is, it's very easy. Directly, you need to specify inside the script. Inside the script. That's all. Sir, the code, suppose if I write in body, what will happen? Whenever page is loading, it will execute. Whenever page is loading. Sir, I'm writing one alert box. Alert box simply. Alert message. Welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. Sir, where I have written this script, very important, inside the body. When you write script inside the body, that executes when page loads automatically. See, I'll show you. Whenever you are executing this HTML file, alert box execute, welcome to JavaScript message will print. See, web page, open that, Page loading, see, at the time of page loading itself, it is showing that welcome to JavaScript. Okay. Welcome to JavaScript. Okay. That is not only alert box. I'll show you adding two numbers also. Normally, if it is Java program, you know the concept of variables. Integer a equals to 10, comma b is equals to 20. Integer c is equals to a plus b, and printing them. How you are writing? System.out.println sum is equal to plus c we are adding. We are just adding. This is Java code, you know already. But in JavaScript, don't use separate data types int, where we are using. Where. Okay. And here it is, instead of using system.out.println, document.write. See, document is nothing but web page. Document is representing the web page. Writing means what? That message will display on this web page. Simple one. The simple tasks. Now see, I'm just executing this code. When you are opening again, look at this. It's showing that output is sum is equals to 30. Whatever the code, whatever the JavaScript code you defined inside the body, that will be executed automatically when the page is loading. Either this one or alert box. Anything, two things I'm giving is the one. See, just comment also like a Java, multi-line comment like this, Java or .NET, anything. First, I'll show you that alert box also again. Welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. When you are executing now, this one will show at the time of page loading. Okay, just quickly practice, open the HTML, everyone. Drop your code in the chat box also. Let me check whether you are practicing or not. Now see here, when you are writing in head location. Now here I am not writing the script. In body, I'm just writing one button. Sir, how can we write button here? Simply like this, button. Submit also there. Button is there. Button first. Sir, what is the button name? Click me. Click me is the button. When you are executing this code, the button is showing, but look at this, no action here, no action. When you click on the button, it is not showing any functionality. But see, if you want to execute some functionality here in head location, script, you know that how to write the methods and how to call the methods. Here, method, you can say function. One important point I'll explain here. Try to understand. Two types of programming languages are there. One is a procedure oriented. Next one is a object oriented programming languages. In procedure oriented programming languages, we just call it as a function. Anything you write, we just call it as a function. Best example is a C language. If it is object oriented programming language, you can call it as a, suppose add only, add, we can call it as a method. Here we call it as a function. Here we call it as a method. The best examples are Java or .NET. Everything you need to write inside the class only. Inside the class, you need to specify everything inside the class. But few things will support both functional programming as well as object-oriented programming, which are called C++, Python, JavaScript. Here, in these cases, if you are writing without using the class, we can call it as a function. If you add class, if you write the function inside the class, you can call it as a method. So only one point in JavaScript. Now we are writing functions. When you start learning React.js or AngularJS using ES6 features, then you write everything inside the class. By that time, we can call it as a method only, not function. Differences you will understand very clearly very soon. But as of now, I'm defining the function. The function, any name, suppose fun is the function. Same story. Just giving the message. Alert box I'm writing. Alert. Thank you for clicking is the message. Thank you for clicking. But see, when you click on the button, how it will execute. Where is the connectivity button here? Attribute you need to write. On click is the attribute name. When you click on the button, it has to execute that fun function. Then automatically, whenever you click on this button, this function gets executed. Simple. So that is when you are writing the script in head location. Mostly we write in head location only script, just like CSS. In CSS also, first we discussed how we are writing in body. Then simply every time we are writing CSS things in a head location. So here, when you are executing this code now button, look at this. When you click on the button, saying that thanks for clicking. Okay. When you click, thanks for clicking. When you click, thanks for clicking. This keep on executing like this. So this is how to write the script in head location. This one. Please do this. Drop the code. See, for example, I just want to separate the HTML code as well as the JavaScript code also. I want to separate HTML code and JavaScript code. How can we separate? So here the same story, this script we are not writing here. Remaining this body is the same. No need to change this body. See, I'm taking one more file, is a normal text file, but I'm saving at the same location on my desktop. Here it is a my script. My script dot extension should be .js. A very, very important one. When you are writing external CSS file name is any name you can give. Very sure, any name. My script.js you need to provide. Here it is. My script, any name, my script.js. You are saving with the my script.js. Here you can write the same thing. Function fun inside this alert box. Welcome to JavaScript. That's it. Welcome to JavaScript. I have saved again. See, after writing the code, you need to save. With every modification, you please save. Now come back to the HTML page. In HTML page, you need to connect in the head location. Script. That script you are connecting. How you are connecting means what is the type of the file you need to specify like this. Text JavaScript like this you need to specify. What is the source? What is the name you have given exactly? Capital letters, small letters, everything you need to consider. The same name what you specified here, myscript.js, the same thing you need to specify here, myscript.js. Now when you are executing this code, the same output you will get. Click me. Look at this. Welcome to JavaScript. Now we are writing with the external page. This is the page. This is the page. Let me copy at one place. This is HTML page. Is a HTML page. That is webpage.html. Webpage.html. Next one is a myscript.js. What is that myscript.js? Is the simple code like this. Is a simple code. A very important point is what? The same thing what you mentioned here, the same thing you need to write here, connecting both. That is the one. Please do write in a two files, save with HTML and save with the JavaScript and execute the code, everyone. Please check. Okay. With one thing. Suppose here it is, I am writing buttons, no external script and all. Buttons only. Buttons I am writing like this. Red button. Here it is a function is also a red function. Here it is like this. Green function. Blue function. Three functions I am writing. Red, green and blue. Red, green and blue. Okay. Now all the three will display on the screen, but we need to write the functions. Function red, we need to specify in a script. Here it is a function red. What we will write inside this, when you click on this one, automatically the web page background color has to change. How to write means what? Simply document means total web page body style, in style attribute background color equals to just red. We are providing like this. Color equals to red. When you are executing the code, three buttons it is showing, click on red. Why the background color is not changing? Body dot, it's a body. Background color directly the simple one is changing like this. For everything we are writing the functions like this. If it is a green color, just all you need to change is a green. See, in this one, I'm just showing how to apply the functionality and to perform different operations. You can change the colors, you can remove the elements, you can add the new elements, you can drop in, you can raise the alert messages, everything. Now, red means red color, green means green, blue means blue color. Like this, you can change the colors. Is the simple way of writing and understanding, right? Understanding how to write the JavaScript easily, right? Quickly do this and everyone drop this code. Everybody. Okay. All other concepts like variables, conditional statements, functions, arrays and strings almost equals to the regular Java or .NET concepts only. Only when it comes to ES6 features, exactly the ES6 features equals to the OOPS concepts. Okay, those concepts I'll explain from tomorrow. Today as the first class, I just explained, right, how to work with the JavaScript that we are using in HTML. Hope you understood. I'll share the video. Please practice.